Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your YouTube channel. First up, you want to open up your browser, and on your browser you want to search for YouTube Studio, and then click on the first option where it says studio.youtube.com. Now once you're in the studio, what you want to do is log in into your YouTube channel. After you log in into your YouTube channel, at the bottom left corner you can see this little setting button. It's really small on my screen, but you should be able to see it. Click on setting. And once you're inside setting, you want to click on the second option called channel. And from channel, you want to go on where it says advanced settings. And once you're inside advanced settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see the last option saying remove YouTube content. Click on remove YouTube content. And then it's going to ask you to enter the password of your Google account. So enter the password of your Google account. I'll do that real quick. And on the next step, it's going to show you this two option. You want to choose I want to delete my content. Once you click on I want to permanently delete my content, make sure both of this is tick marked and click on delete my content. Once you do that, every single video uploaded on your YouTube channel will be deleted along with your channel. So that is how you guys can delete your channel on YouTube. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.